Bookings made easy. Assigning taxes. Control panel. Financial. Taxes. There are a few taxes accommodated in the booking system. Sales tax for North America, VAT for Europe, occupancy tax, normally for North America, tourist tax, mainland Europe. Sales tax and VAT are included in the accommodation rates. Occupancy tax and tourist taxes are excluded from the normal rates and are added to the invoice. We will first look at VAT or sales tax and change the drop down to is used, save. And then a button appears, so we click the button and we have some taxes assigned. And first of all, we can change the name of the tax. You may want to call it New York State Tax or MwSt for Germany. And then we have the tax rate for accommodation only, which is in this case set to 20%. And then we have two taxes which are used for sundry items and extras, so you can assign two taxes or a zero rate as you wish. And we save. Next we'll look at the occupancy tax, so we'll switch it to is used and save. Now we have a new button that appears called occupancy tax, and to this occupancy tax, which is called New York rates at the moment, we can add a rate and we'll call it 12%. And the classification, New York room tax, we'll call it, and save. And now we'll change the tax name to New York Occupancy Tax. Save. Now we'll look at the tourist tax. So we switch the tourist tax to is used. Notice that the occupancy tax is not used because you can't run the two taxes together, but it doesn't affect the sales tax or VAT. Save. Now we have a tourist tax button. Click. And we'll add a rate. The tourist tax per person per day is €2.50. And the tourist tax minimum age applies to children 12 years and above. Tourist tax classification, we'll use X and save. We've added the rate, so we'll now change the tax name to tax de séjour. I apologise, but I have an English keyboard not quite spelled correctly. Okay, so there we have all the taxes.